I know that here in Taiwan, people describe the relationship between the United States and Taiwan as real friends, real progress.
在疫情的期间，我们能够有一位友邦的元首到台湾来访问。那帛琉的总统也是他就任之后1月21号就任之后第一次到其他国家去访问。那这个对我们来讲都是一件非常振奋的事情。我们台湾跟美国之间的这个合作，那尤其是从我们跟 AIT 的非常密切的关系，以及美国驻帛琉的大使能够一起到台湾来这件事情，大家可以看得出来我们三方的这个合作关系真的是非常的密切。那这一次的台帛旅游泡泡能够成型其实美方在幕后也贡献了非常多。从1月开始美国就提供帛琉这些相关必要的这些物资，尤其是疫苗，让帛琉的人民能够有更多的信心来展开这个旅游的计划。那除了美方提供给帛琉的这些医疗物资或者是疫苗之外，我想大家也都知道，我们台湾也提供帛琉很多的这些必要的这些医疗物资防疫的这些物资。那这个就是一个三方的合作。那有关于帛琉跟台湾的关系，或者是说我们跟美国跟帛琉的这个关系一直都很密切。而且从这一次倪约翰大使到台湾来，大家可以看到关系只会越来越密切。谢谢大家。
I look forward to discussing with the foreign minister and the director of AIT and the president of Palau over lunch other areas that we can cooperate together in the future. I know that here in Taiwan, people describe the relationship between the United States and Taiwan as real friends, real progress. And I think that description applies to the three countries, the United States, Taiwan, and Palau. Thank you again.
This travel and the new policy that made it possible is a tangible sign of progress and a cause for optimism in the fight against COVID-19. It shows that Taiwan and Palau's diligent and effective COVID-19 prevention efforts have brought them to a point of stability and security that allowed them to begin the long-awaited process of reopening to visitors.